Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add an outline to text in Davinci results. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, enable the effects panel, and here in the search bar please write Fusion Composition. Grab this, drag it onto timeline, and now select it. Let's go in the Fusion panel, and here grab a text node and here connect it to the media out. Very simple, you can do it. And here write what you want, and now you can go to shading, okay, text, and then go to shading, and from here you can also please you can increase the size from here, and now go to shading, and here change the appearance to text outline, and now you have an outline text. I hope you learned something, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. Take care.